Hey guys, so I got this US lock from Texas Jim in the vise here, and here is the key for it, the key bitting. See, it's locked up. It's a really smooth lock for whatever's in there. And see if I can get it picked. Alright, zoom in a little bit. Head all the way to the back of the keyway there. Okay, I don't think I set that pin in the back there, so let's try again. Okay, maybe now. Possible. It's possible. Okay, got a little turn. Another little turn. And there it is, open. Holy smokes. So that was a tough lock for me. Don't ask me why. But it was. Alright, see if I can get out of the vise. Put her down there. Get this thing out of the way. I actually had to take my Sparrow's hook and file it and get it so I can feel the pins in the back and sand it and a bunch of other stuff. Alright, let me see if I can get this thing, see what's inside this guy. Okay. See if we can get this clip off of here. It's going to take two hands. And probably my hair is going to go up in the camera again. Alright, so there's the clip. Success with that. That's good. Now, do I need to shim this lock? I do not know. Take a chance. Okay, probably not, because that follower fits pretty good, so. Does it? Or doesn't it? Nope, that is the wrong follower. Okay, well, I don't know if this lock has any of these flywheel pins in there, but if it does, I'm done. So let's just try it like this and see what happens. Alright, well, it didn't. Thank God for that. Okay, so there's the plug. You can see I already see threading in there. Let's see if you could see it. See those threads? Alright, and here's the key. Wow. Look at those pins. Okay, let's dump them out. Have a look-ski. Okay, so pin 1, key pin 1 is a serrated key pin. Pin 2, another serrated key pin. Pin 3, another serrated key pin. Pin 4, come on, another serrated key pin. 5, serrated. 6, serrated. And once again, nicely threaded in there. Like, I don't know if you got a 632 or 832 tap, but those are nice and sharp threads, man. Okay, tweezers here. So yeah, you can see all those key pins were serrated. Okay, so there's the front. Right. I think I'm going to come out, well, no, can't come out the back without follower, so this could get ugly. Once again, do not shoot out into my face. Would like to see which way these things go in, if possible. Okay, so it caught him. So he goes in just like that. And he is a flywheel pin. Let's see if, because he's got a hole in him, let's see if the other pieces are in there. Nope. But he's got a hole in the middle of him. And that is pin 1, right? Yes. Okay. So. Okay. There's pin 2. Another hole in the middle of him. And I'm just going to dump the springs as we go, so the hopes that I can catch these other pins. Oh man, didn't catch that one. Okay. Well, he's got a hole in him also. One of the things I discovered on the last lock is that it's really important to know which way Jim put these pins in to put it back to get the lock to work smoothly. So that means they can't shoot out like they're doing now. So I'm trying to catch them, but not working. Okay, so there's another one. I just can't catch them. And come on. Mostly because, you know, I'm getting old, it's hard to see back up in here. And there's the last one. Let me pull them out the other way. Maybe I can catch them on this side. I can watch the video to see which way these pins went. So this one's like that. Okay. And all the springs out of there. See if I can get a shot inside of there. Yeah, so all those are threaded chambers as well. Threaded chambers. Yep. And the Bible's all threaded. And then here's a shot of these pins. Well, actually, maybe I could just zoom in like this. And you can see them a lot better. So there you go. Move it over this way a little bit. You can see Jim's fine pin work since I didn't spend 20 minutes gutting it. But yeah, really strange shapes on the pins. I don't even know how to name them, but you know, serrations on these key pins, and you know, they've all got holes in the center of them for that pin and pin flywheel deal there, but he didn't pin them up, thank God, because I would have never been able to pick it. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Really appreciate the lock once again, Texas Jim. This was a real challenging one. If you haven't seen Texas Jim's channel, you know, you need to check that out, but I'm sure all you guys have. No one else is watching these videos, but people that know him. And thanks again. I got 2 more locks left to go. This Titan, you know, I've worked on that a bit, and no luck on that one. And the Yale, I haven't even, you know, really got to that yet. So hopefully soon. Thanks you guys for watching, and happy picking.